In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change the currency on the Temu app. Whether you're traveling, recently moved to a different country, or just need to switch the currency for a quick purchase, the process is simple and straightforward. Let's dive in and explore the steps together. First, you need to head over to temu.com. This is where you can access your account and manage your settings. Once you're on the website, look for the Sign In Register button. It's usually located at the top right corner of the page. Click on it to proceed. Once you've clicked Sign In Register, you'll be prompted to enter your login credentials. Make sure you have your username and password on hand. If you've forgotten your password, there are options to reset it, so don't worry too much. After entering your details, hit the submit button and you should be logged in within a few seconds. Now that you're logged in, navigate to your profile. This section usually contains all the personal information and settings associated with your account. It's the hub for managing your preferences on the app. Take a moment to familiarize yourself with the layout if it's your first time accessing it. Among the various options within your profile, look for country, region, and language. Click on this section as it holds the key to changing your currency. It's designed to allow users to adjust their locale settings, which can automatically change the currency displayed based on the country you select. Now find preferred country. When you click on it, you'll notice that you're offered a list of different countries to choose from. Select the country that corresponds to the currency you wish to switch to. Keep in mind that changing your region will automatically adjust your currency option to match the standard currency used in that particular country. This feature ensures that you don't have to manually adjust the currency every time you change locations. After selecting your desired country, you'll see an option to switch to your selected country. Click on this to confirm your changes. This will trigger the app to apply the new settings and display amounts in the currency of your chosen region. Lastly, to ensure that everything has been updated correctly, save the changes you just made. After saving, it's always a good idea to refresh the page, or better yet, log out and then log back into your account. This refreshes the session and ensures that all settings are correctly applied. And there you have it. You've successfully changed the currency on your Temu account, making it much easier for you to shop according to your needs. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips and tricks on managing your online accounts. Thanks for watching.